hurry up and fix up yourself, man.
Watch, I need to go to
We have
the
to sort
bar.
it out. You ready?
Me go to bar.
You can't go now. I have game to play. Welcome back, everybody. Small jammers, guess what? Them take with the idiot as usual. And Excel and I are going to play the Magic Carpet Crush game. Yay! All right, here's how it goes. Both of us are going to sit on a cloth, the carpet, race to the balloon line, pick a balloon. Each balloon is supposed to have your name on it. Pull yourself back to the other end, just home, and pop the balloon with our left leg. I don't know why it's so specific about the left leg. Jump back on the carpet and slide back and forth until
Me take
your
off my
balloon
shoes.
done. That's it, say.
Me take off my shoes.
You too?
Yeah.
All right, hurry up. You ready?
Them say I'm going to show
You ready?
magic carpet. Take off my shoes. You know, they're two different for socks, man.
It's 2 different for the
Same color.
Why?
Watch it. One have name on it.
Come, let's go. Let's go. Are you ready? Okay, see, drop out already.
No, it's not going to. All right. No, I can't. This is not going to grip the grip.
Are we ready? On your mark,
Pull your cork.
drink.
You can't use your hand. You can't
Why
use your hand.
not? It never says so.
can't use your hand.
Oh, it never tell me.
You can't stand up under that.
What do you mean?
You can't stand up under that.
It's never.
What's the balloon? That stick to my pants.
Teething boy! Hey, teething boy! But something else say you're related to Neville, you know. Hey, teeth. What? Noel, you're a thiefer. It's one balloon at a time. Oh my God. Yes, Steve.
Oh, left foot.
See? That's what you get for being a thief. This balloon says Sakina. Thief.
You can't do that.
What do you mean? No! You took my own because you're a thief. That's the extra. Be done. Woo! 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 I don't have any more balloons.
She cheat.
No, I didn't. You cheated and it backfired on you. Both of them say extra. Oh, God. You mash up?
No.
You want me help you?
Oh, Jesus. My chest.
Hush. Hush, darling. That's what you get for cheating.
Never cheat.
Cheaters never
Ready,
prosper.
ready.
He
Recover.
tried to get both of them. Hush. You got this. You got it. Come on, Dwayne. Come on. You got this. One more push. Pull. Push. Push.
Reach.
Come on. Kill it. Woo! That's it. You ready? You must finish. Oh, here. Them wickedy. Them say you must finish it. Proceed. Oh. Guys. That was good, but I won. Yay! I'm the queen of the world. Well, except for me.
Hey,
You okay?
I'm a cheat, but can't win that game.